This demonstration unit gives you a unique inside view of how Gorman-Rupp rotary gear pumps work. As the pump operates in a clockwise rotation, the liquid enters the left-hand inlet port between the exterior drive gear, or rotor, and the smaller driven interior gear, or idler gear. A fixed volume of liquid is captured in the cavities between each rotor and idler gear tooth as the teeth come out of mesh. As the rotor and idler gears continue to rotate in unison, the pockets of fluid are prevented from returning back to the inlet by the crescent located in the head of the pump. The crescent acts as a seal between the inlet and outlet ports. Once the rotor and the idler teeth travel across each side of the crescent, the gears come back into mesh. The trapped liquid in each cavity is squeezed out of the outlet port of the pump. Each time the rotor and idler gears complete one full revolution, a fixed amount of fluid passes from the inlet side to the outlet side of the pump. The total number of revolutions made per minute determines the volumetric displacement of the pump, also referred to as flow rate, which can be adjusted simply by increasing or decreasing the RPMs through the use of a variable frequency drive or a gear reducer.